Okay, hello everybody, thanks for joining us. It is Thursday, October 3rd, and we are just a couple of days. I think the earthquake of 6.9 was on Tuesday evening, and I'll show you our CCTV camera of the earthquake of this right here. Just zoom out a little bit. There we go. You're going to see that angle here. Okay, so let's get inside and take a look at what's going on in here. There's a lot of very curious to know what all that drilling sound is, or screwing sound, or what that is. What's going on in the upstairs. In a minute here, you're going to meet our air conditioning contractor. Two of them in this space up here, and then one in each bedroom and the office upstairs, for a total of 2, 5, 6 splits. So we're discussing right now the air conditioning, where we're going to poke holes and where we're going to run the pipes and where the condenser unit's going to be. We're going to have 2 air conditioning units, probably one above this center of this window and one above the center of that window. And the guy on the left is our air conditioning installer. I always am never prepared for these guys because nobody tells me they're coming. And when I show up here, they accost me and ask a bunch of questions. Where we're going to do this, where we're going to do that. And it's always difficult for me to make decisions when I'm unprepared. Had a chance to think about it, but I think we got this one figured out. So we're going to put all the compressor units in the piping. Obviously, trying to keep the piping as we can above our ceiling, and our finished ceiling is right about a few inches below this beam here that they're pointing to. They're working on trying to figure it out, and we've got our guy doing our plaster and skin coating, making nice clean corners. This is probably the same material we're going to use to fur down our ceilings. I don't see why we wouldn't. I don't know if this is a metal stud. It's certainly not 4 inches. It's more like 2.5 or 3 inches. I don't know if that's a hat channel. I don't think it is hat channel. I think it's just a piece of metal trap. Now I moved it. Sorry. That's what I get. That's why they don't let me do work. Well, what'd you see upstairs? Anything interesting? There's the wiring for our step lighting. The lighting supply company sent us 2. We've got 3 strings total, and 2 of them were one color and one was the other color, so I got to take one of them back. And let's just see what that noise was. What was all that racket? We have to we'll have to relocate some of our plumbing. Good afternoon, everybody. Hey, plumber. Plumber. I want to talk to the plumber for a second. Yeah. We got plumber and electrician are kind of the same guy. Hey, I want to talk. Can I talk to you for a minute? I want to put the. I want to get the water filtration system in place. I'll find out if they're going to install that. If you're going to install it.
What?
Well, he's doesn't speak good enough English to me communicate, so my foreman will come up here and do some translating. Oh wow, he's running. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, water heater attached here and here.
Okay. All right, and he was just pointing out where the water heater is going to attach. This will sit on top of our roof. As you can see, there's a slight pitch to it. That'll keep it level. And Noe just got done welding this together and making it out of angle bar, I guess you would call this. And I'll show you a video of that here as well. You caught him doing that here a little while ago, yesterday. So now he's getting it painted, and this will sit on top of the roof. Then when we go inside, I'll show you the purlins that it'll be supported by. And so here on the second floor, up at the master bedroom, I've decided, we were just talking about the hot water heaters. Even though I've got a solar hot water tank going up on the roof, I want to have these little on-demand miniature unit electrical fired hot water heaters just in a backup in case my hot water heater is not putting out enough hot water or blows away in a typhoon or something like that. So I've just discussed that with the plumber, where they're going to go. They need electrical outlets, and that's the reason they're carving out this block here so they can relocate the electrical box, as well as they kind of got the drain for the sink in the wrong spot. He slid it off to the left a little bit. It would be outside of the cabinet. So we're currently working on this room, master bedroom, windows. And we're back. The air conditioning guy is back. Looking around where he's going to drill the holes. As long as it's up. out of sight, preferably. We'll see if he needs to talk to me. He will track me down if he does. And let's see here. We got these bedroom, and see if they got this wall fixed yet. Oh yeah, they did. Remember, if you remember, if you were paying attention, this wall in the closet had a return on it, and we need to plane that out, flush it out with the wall. No return. We've got a nice built-in closet here. And let's see here. Yep, this is my plumber and electrician. He's talking to his guys about doing what he's going to do. Carmelo's working on the plaster. He's getting to be a good plaster guy. Yeah. And we'll see what happened upstairs. And covered. I feel a little bit of raindrops, so maybe the timing is good to wrap things up for today. Oh, I was going to show you. I'm going to go back down. I'm going to show you the purlins and the C-channel for the support of this water heater. They're getting ready to work on this room, what we call a study roof deck. I don't know if I pointed this out before, but we're gonna, instead of the drawings showed, well, I don't know, it wasn't necessarily the drawings. Could be interpreted that this study is supposed to be at the same level as this roof deck, which is fairly common in the Philippines. However, I'd prefer to have this room a good 6 inches above the roof deck, so water doesn't run into the building. And worst case scenario, keeps running into the building and then down the stairs. So let's take a look at those purlins. Purlins in C-channel. Should be right about here. Yeah, it's, I don't know, which one is it? Oh, it says here. So, yeah, so this was added. That'll support the, what I would say the light end of this tank. And this is just in between. Those were already there. And difficult for me to see what's happening up there. Anyway, this is what that water heater is going to sit on. And I did the math. I forget. I can. I'll write it in the comments here. I'll write it in a text on this image here. How much this hot water heater weighs? It's 200 liters, which is about 50 gallons. The unit itself weighs something less than 50 pounds, and I'll look up to see how much 200 liters weighs. Well, okay, that's it for today. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for coming by. I appreciate your comments and your thumbs up and all that. And today's another day. We're progressing forward, progressing on. Maybe we'll have this place close to being done by Christmas, and we can have a big housewarming, house blessing party.